Welcome, welcome. I'm Mr. E and welcome to our annual Science Fair and Mini Maker Fair. Here, we celebrate science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics, and artificial intelligence. I'm so excited this time of year because I get to walk around and see all these wonderful projects and displays. Here, we celebrate creativity, creating new things. We celebrate critical thinking, thinking outside the box. And we celebrate discovery, wanting to know more. I want to give a special thanks to all the parents, the PTA, and the teachers, and of course the students who made this possible. I'm so looking forward to walking around and talking to all of you about all your displays and projects. Oh, what's that? I think I hear that bell. I think that's Mr. Matt and Zoe in the other room. Let's go see what that is.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Matt and this is Miss Zoe. We both would like to invite you to the annual Xiwai Primary Science Fair. We look forward to visiting all these phenomenal places and seeing all these beautiful boards you've made. We'd also like to invite you to play 2 of our science games. We will be having the Rubik's Cube race and marble racing. But before we dive into the fun, we need to go over some of the rules. Please make sure not to touch any of the experiments for safety reasons. Also, please make sure not to run in the science fair. Now, what are you doing?
Just mixing some potions.
Have you not listened to the rules?
Rules? Come on, rules are so boring. Why do I have to listen to rules?
Do you even know what would happen if you would drink that?
Look, there's smoke coming out of it. How fun is that? And smell it.
I really wouldn't drink that if I were you.
See? Nothing happened.
Just wait. Miss Zoe? Miss Zoe?
I'm over here. Hello.
Told you not to drink it. Let me think. How can we? Miss Zoe is going to kill me for this. Let's try something out. Canos Neos it comedit. Hey, how you feeling?
You made me a dog.
I told you not to drink it.
I'm a dog. Turn me back.
Let me try one last thing. Normalize. Welcome back.
Thank God for saving me.
You're so welcome. And please remember, this is why we follow the rules. And remember, science is magic that works.